Welcome back, dolls. Welcome, new dolls. Welcome. You're all welcome here. Mwah. Most of the items that I get are almost always on sale and they're super affordable. And I'm like, oh my gosh, Miss Piggy collection, stop it. Stay creative, people, stay creative. I just mix and match, sweetheart. I just go to the beat of my own drum. Girls just wanna have fun. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hey boo, how are you? This is a build your own palette. I do have a giveaway, one for you. It's a cute little blush. Let me take it out of the box. Oh my gosh, this giveaway is gonna go to 2 lucky dolls, so definitely stay tuned, hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss. So the details of my giveaway is in the description box below, but basically just go back to all my videos if you haven't watched them already. Comment because I do take that into consideration, and by the end of this, 2 lucky dolls are going to be extremely happy to get these cute makeups in the mail. I know I would be. Oh my gosh. So this is a pressed powder blush. Let's take a look. Check her out. Now, I thought this would be a little bit more red, but that's okay. So spring, isn't it? This is build your own eyeshadow palette. How are all these eyeshadows gonna fit? We're gonna go ahead and show you those my picks. So let me bring this down. I think that these are shades that you can use all year round. It's magnetic. The color for this one is Pick Me. Oh, she's gorgeous. I think I want to use her today. This one is called Mariposa. It's so girly. It's so rich. I always use black eyeshadow. It's called Let's Do It. Is that what we're doing? I've already gotten it dirty. Girl can't keep her makeup clean if you paid her. As affordable as this is, I wish this was actually plastic so that when it stains like this, then I would be able to get it off. Here we go. And this one is called Let Me Explain. Okay, that's gonna go in the inner corner. This one is called Take a Sip. So this has got some glitter in it. Wow, look at this. This is so beautiful, this mauve pink color. So here we go. And this one is called KK. Ooh, she's gorgeous too. It's like bubblegum pink. Living. This is Good Manners. She don't look like she's got that good manners, a girl that would wear this. Oh my gosh. Mr. Sandman. This is really nice to have. This reminds me of an old school Urban Decay eyeshadow that I was in love with. Oh wow, she's gorgeous. This is called Sugar. Oh gosh, she's so beautiful. And we have this color here. And this one is called Blossom. Oh, look at that. It's giving Profusion hard rubs. 2 more. So here we go. This is called Misty. This is called Get Crackin'. Beautiful transition color. Not too dark, not too light. It's even got some glitters, but here you go. Let me give you a more up close look. And then I got some other really cute, amazing items. Okay, so here's a backstory on this brand. It's called Ste London. I don't know if you dolls have heard of them. You probably have. I'm late to the game. What happened was I found a cute little Miss Piggy blender sponge at TJ Maxx, and I'm like, oh my gosh, Miss Piggy collection, stop it. So I literally looked up this brand just so I could get a couple of pieces from the Miss Piggy collection. I mean, they had eyeshadow, but I was like, I already have enough eyeshadow, so I was like, I don't really need it. Look at this. Isn't this so cute? Thumbnail. Oh, we are so girly now. We're living. So this is a handheld mirror. Look at her. I just love her so much. And that's the mirror. It is square. Again, the brand is called Ste London. It was on sale too. Again, check them out if you also are a Miss Piggy fan. The other thing that I got is this cute little lipstick. Oh my gosh, right? And look at her. This reminds me of like children's makeup, but hopefully it's good quality where it stays on, unlike children's makeup. Let me just swatch her really quick. And just hope that this... Oh, see, so this is really light though. You can't even see it. What? What are you? Just a balm? Just an oil? Miss Piggy, I need to have a word with you. Is Kermit distracting you? Is he taking all your time? Why is this so sheer? It's a lip balm, so it's my fault. I wasn't catfished. You are what you say you are. So that's on me. The other thing that we have is from a different collection from Ste. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's very girly. So again, very fitting for our girls' night out tonight. It's like a highlighter. So this is going to be perfect for spring. I think the shade will go really well with my skin tone. I could probably use this for the summer as well. So this is like perfect. Look at that. So this is a universal complexion brightener. I don't know if I would put this all over my face, and then put maybe, you know, powder over it to give me like a very bright, dewy, highlighted look. But I would definitely put it on my cheekbones. My niece is into nails. She loves doing nails. I came across this. This was on sale, so I'm like, I'm so getting her this. But they have these nail sheets. Cute, huh? Huh? Because girls just wanna have fun. Alright, dolls, so that was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed unpacking with me. My cute items, my cute girly items. So now I want to go ahead and put these makeups to the test. We have to get ready. We're gonna have a girls' night out. And that's it. I'm kind of feeling a little bit cute but sexy. So I'm gonna go in with my gray contacts. These. First things first, it's all about having a clean palette, in my opinion. So in that case, I always do my serums to wake and freshen up my skin. So I'm gonna go in with my flower dose for lips and your eyes. But shoot, I just give myself such a generous amount. I just put this all over my face, plump my lips. By the way, Milani had a sale, and I knew that I had to get some more of this, so I did get some items. So I'm going to do a Pamper day. So again, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't already. I need some extra Juju moisturizer, so I'm going with my hyaluronic acid, my AHA, BHA, PHA, Miracle Serum, Momo Putty Concentrated Lotion, because I have dull skin, my Unicorn Fruit Lip Plumping Balm, the Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, Spritz is Confetti Cake Pop. It smells so good. I'm actually not going to go with this lip stick. It's literally just a balm. So there. It's got a very, very light tint to it. You can see. It's very sheer. And it does make your lips feel really soft. So there you go. The color's cute, because my lips are kind of like dull and dark. So yeah, I really like her. Actually, she's really growing on me. I love her a lot, and I love the packaging on this one. I actually have a little bit of this Milk makeup left. Favorite foundation blender. I've already used it. I've done the review on this, so you can check it out if you like. The ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. Get my pink brush. This is so girly girl. Give myself some highlight. Just kind of putting it on the area here. There we go. So it does brighten the skin. I like that. And it also sets it. So I think that's really great. That's awesome. You're amazing. Love you, Siate. Mwah, mwah. Okay, I'm going to go with my Peach Perfect. Going with this shadow scent. It's liquid to matte eyeshadow. I am curious to see how bold it is, because I know ColourPop pigment. Oh, I know she don't mess around. She's cute and everything, but boy, she's packed. Okay, so she's really cute. Loves her. Bronzer. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. The whole time I was like, why didn't anyone tell me that you guys are all too nice? You guys are all too nice. This is the mirror. Of all the times that I've used her, I kept on talking about, it's great, it's kind of pricey, it should come with a mirror, and the whole time that was a mirror. start with this color here. The pigment is amazing. This is their pressed powder. It's very true to color. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful pink glitter sparkle. I've never tried their glitter pressed powder before, and it's so crazy. You guys want to see? It looks like slush. Look, it literally, like, you dip your finger, it's literally glitter, but yet it stays. If this gets in my eyeball though, that's another story. Here we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this color here. This is why makeup is so fun. You just literally are just getting creative. You're just getting right into it. No planning, no preparation. You just take wherever it inspires you. I think it's like the freedom of it, this creation. It's just amazing. Yeah, stay creative, people. Stay creative. This doesn't scream girly girly. I don't know what will. It's gonna get bolder, dolls, because it's gonna be a day to night thing. This is an epic liquid eyeliner. Mascara. Back to the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black because I want a little bit of a glam, you know, nighttime moment. This black eyeshadow. Bring it down a little bit. Look how cute this little Hello Kitty makeup sponge is. I've already used it, so it's a little dirt, but I'm gonna go with my Airspun powder. I'm just gonna pat in my eyebrows. NYX Professional Makeup Crayon Micro Brow Pencil. Japanese brow pencil. Bring it down. So I'm actually going to use this color for a little bit of highlight. Use the white eyeshadow as well, just to kind of like lift. Blush highlight. Brown. Suede lipstick. I'm going to use a little bit of that white highlight shadow, and I'm just going to put some right here. I'm going to go with a little bit of a lip liner. Figure out what I'm going to wear, and then I will show you guys what my girls' night out outfit is. I might open like a Shein bag or something, because I've got like a whole bunch of like Shein clothes in here, and maybe I'll find something in here because I definitely want to do pink. Oh, this is a nightie. This is a nightie gown. Oh my gosh, I should have so worn this nightie. Oh, this is so cute. I can't wait to show you those. This has been the Shein haul. So here's a sneak preview, dolls. So definitely don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because we got some really cute, fun mix and match of like work and play items from Shein. So spring. I'll figure out what I'm gonna wear, and I may or may not show you dolls what that is. If I don't see you, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, because that's what you are. Do not let anyone else make you feel otherwise, and do what makes you happy more. Love you, dolls. Bye.